Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Happy Dhanteras, ma'am.
Thank you. Same to you.
Happy Diwali, ma'am.
Thank you, beta. Same to you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, we are fine. How are you?
Yeah, okay. You are fine. I'm also fine, beta.
Today we'll do. Ma'am, today we'll do, ma'am, difficult words.
Yes, today we'll do difficult.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Take out your copies, all of you.
I take out.
Where is my copy? Write down today's date, chapter name, and the heading, difficult words. There are 30 difficult words in all of this chapter.
Ma'am, what is chapter name?
Chapter name is States of India. You want me to share screen or you want me to send it on the class group?
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, share screen. Ma'am, can you tell me what we are doing? Morning, ma'am.
Beta, we are doing, take out your social studies copies. We are doing difficult words of chapter. I will send it at both the places. Okay?
Ma'am, can you screen share?
Yes, I will share screen.
Good morning, ma'am.
What?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
We have to do
Okay, for the last time, I'm telling what we are doing. We are doing difficult words of chapter 9. Fine. Now let me just share screen with you. Give me a minute.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, question and answer. क्या से?
Which question and answer, beta?
Ma'am, chapter 9 question and answer.
We will do later, no? First, write down the difficult words. Then we are going to do question answer. Everything we are going to do. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, please share the screen.
Yes, beta, I'm sharing. Wait. I will send it on the class group also. And don't tell me, ma'am, please scroll up, scroll down.
Happy Dhanteras, ma'am.
Thank you, beta. Same to you.
Ma'am, we have do new notebook.
No, beta, you don't have to make a new notebook. Do in the same notebook that you were doing.
Okay, ma'am.
But ma'am, our duties are done, ma'am. Our first is done, ma'am. How we have to make our new notebook.
Now, what is the sixth one? Ma'am, please tell the spelling.
What is the
Sixth one.
sixth is taluk. Taluks. Just open your book along with you, children. Don't just depend on this page. Keep looking for the words in your book also. And underline all the difficult words in book.
Ma'am.
Class 4A has just
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, when we are doing the revision before the term test, so ma'am, I have only decorated the chapters with the highlighter, not the test, not the revision and the test.
No problem. Just correct. It's okay.
Ma'am, what do I doing?
Who is asking me? Who is asking me this question? I want to.
Ma'am, I am Unsha Fortune.
Unsha, beta, I have shared screen. You have to do this work in your social studies copy. Start doing it.
Ma'am, this is a work of 4th A.
4th A and 4th C, both the classes.
Ma'am, please scroll down. I have done.
You have done C from the class group and do. Let others do this work.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am, what we are doing?
Beta, what we are doing, can't you see the screen shared? You're supposed to do this work in your copy. First of all, you joined the class so late. After 8 minutes, you're joining the class and then you irritate the teacher. Ma'am, what we are doing, what we are doing. What is the time of the class? Let me log the meeting now.
You are sent the link of 11:14.
I haven't sent any link. It was sent later to you.
मैम
Yes.
मैम मैं चैप्टर 8 दो कॉपी में आया है
What?
मैम मैं चैप्टर 8 2 कॉपीज में आया है
बेटा
Two notebook.
कौन सा चैप्टर आपकी 2 कॉपीज में आया?
मैम चैप्टर 8
ओके देन
नो मैम मैं उसके आगे से चैप्टर 9 स्टार्ट कर दूं
तो कहाँ से करोगे? वहां से नहीं करोगे तो कहाँ से करोगे? आप कहाँ से करना चाहते हो ये?
I've done. Ma'am, I've done and underlined in the book. All the difficult ones.
Ma'am, can you tell the
Ma'am, my notebook is filled, so I am taking new notebook for social science.
नहीं बेटा, ओल्ड नोटबुक में जगह ढूंढ के करो. Unsha, how do you do when a notebook gets over? Don't you use a new notebook? Do you ask your teacher? Definitely, you're supposed to use a new notebook now. If the old notebook is finished, what kind of questions you people put up? What, Jaskaran, what is your question now?
No, I am saying that in the fifth one, what is written?
Tehsils. Tehsil.
Ma'am, can you tell the spelling right now?
Good morning, ma'am.
Tehsils.
Good morning, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, the 15 one is neighboring.
Yes, beta. 15th is neighboring.
Ma'am, how do
Ma'am,
we
I am
pronounce?
the
Ma'am, how do we pronounce sixth one?
Which one?
Ma'am, sixth.
Taluks.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have done Rana. I have also done Ras. Not done. Ma'am, I have not done. Ma'am, what is the pronunciation of the second last word?
Thiruvananthapuram.
Ma'am, please scroll up. Okay, ma'am.
Thiruvananthapuram.
Please tell the spelling of administrative.
ADMINIS. Adminis. Then trative. TRATIVE. Administrative. When you get such a long word, how do you learn the spellings? You break the words into parts, into two parts or three parts.
Ma'am, a grammar ma'am also teach this breaking word to get
Yes,
spelling.
this is how spellings are supposed to be learned.
Ma'am, I can't find the word residence in the book.
If you can't find, it's okay, but write it. It is given in Factpedia.
Ma'am, how many are these?
30 words in all.
Ma'am, but in WhatsApp it's only 21.
What?
Yes, ma'am, please scroll up. Ma'am, but in WhatsApp there is only 21.
Wait, beta, let me see. Chennai.
Ma'am, please scroll up. Ma'am, please scroll up. Ma'am, please scroll up. What is the word of in fifth word? What is written in fifth?
Beta, tehsils. TEH.
And what is the second last word?
Thiruvananthapuram.
Ma'am, can you written in the chat box the spelling because I don't clear. Ma'am, there are 21 words only.
Beta, there are 30 words.
Ma'am, what is the 16th word?
Bhubneshwar.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what is written after Hyderabad?
After Hyderabad, it's Agartala.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, in WhatsApp you have shared only 21 words. Yes,
Yes, beta, I will share the next page. Let everyone do this much.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, so what we say in English, dhundna.
Yes, you can look for, search, looking for something.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I search in the book these difficult words.
Yes, till then underline all these difficult words in your book. Everyone.
Excuse me, ma'am. What is written after Chennai?
Nothing is written after Chennai. Chennai is the last word of this page.
Ma'am, I cannot see Hyderabad.
Beta, it is given in the table. States and capital table is given. You will find so many words there.
This. Ma'am, have shared the rest of difficult words on WhatsApp.
Ma'am, I have done.
Afghanistan.
What is the word after neighboring?
After neighboring, the word is Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneshwar. Bhubaneswar.
Afghanistan. कॉपी भर गई हाँ अब तो सही वर्क भी रिटर्न हो रहा है पता है क्या कर रहा हूँ
Beta, mute yourself. Who is the student who's not muted in class?
मैम उनसा
Ma'am, report.
Everyone has done this page?
Ma'am,
last word yes ma'am no ma'am
Okay, beta, I will not remove this page, don't worry.
Ma'am, please tell the spelling of Thiruvananthapuram.
It is in the chat box, see from there.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the 19th word?
9.
ma'am please done this right
Agartala.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very good, beta. After 1 minute, I'm going to remove this page.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
ma'am please Ma'am, please share the next.
Wait, Raina, wait. Have you underlined all these words in your book, Raina?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there
Yes,
any-
ma'am. I have not.
Okay, time to share the next page now. Ready, everyone?
Yes.
Please wait for.
Yes,
for
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please wait
Yes,
for
ma'am. I am
1 minute.
ready.
Please wait
No,
for
ma'am.
1 minute.
Ma'am, I am
No, ma'am.
ready, please.
Ma'am. No, ma'am.
Ma'am, then discouraging the
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, I am on Hyderabad.
ma'am, there are 30 words.
Yes, there are 30 words.
Ma'am, you can share the second one. Yes, ma'am. Share.
Those who have not done this page now, they will do from the class group because I'm changing the screen.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, after that we will do the key points also. Directly.
First,
on
do
the
these
page.
difficult words.
Ma'am, I have done it on group.
Ma'am, please send on group the last page.
Okay. Sending in 4th A also.
Ma'am, can you raise this red line?
Ma'am, please send.
Ma'am, can you read the second word? Because I can't understand.
Ma'am,
The
Ma'am,
second
can you
word
rub this
is,
red?
be quiet. The second word is Bangalore.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mute yourself, all of you.
Ma'am, please tell what is after port.
Amaravati.
It is better, it is Port Blair.
I'm done. Ma'am, it's Silvassa after Port Blair. Ma'am, it's Silvassa after Port Blair.
Yes, beta, it is Silvassa.
Ma'am, I have done the typical words of the chapter.
Ma'am, it is Maharashtra.
Ma'am, I have done difficult words. I am on key points.
Beta, we are only doing difficult words today, no key point.
Ma'am, but you have shared four
I will
key
not show
points
you.
also.
I will not show you here. If you want to do from group, that is your choice. But we'll do key points tomorrow. After doing difficult words, what I
Okay.
do is I'll take a quiz. So those who have done difficult words, please start revising, learning all these difficult words, because I'm going to ask each and every person. Each and every student.
Ma'am, I have done difficult
I'm
words. So I
asking
will revise.
today. I will ask you today after 5 minutes. Okay? Don't do key points right now. Just start learning these difficult words.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is written the second last word?
Daman and Diu. Daman and Diu is a union territory.
Daman and Diu.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I have done Panchal Mishra.
Ma'am, please wait 1 minute.
Beta, I'm waiting only. What are you people panicking for?
Ma'am, what is written after Port Blair?
Silvassa.
Ma'am, I have done word. Ma'am, I have done difficult words.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, what is the last word?
Puducherry. It's Puducherry.
Okay, ma'am.
Those who have learned, beta, those who have written, start learning all these words. I'm just going to start the quiz in 5 minutes. At 11:43, I'm going to start with the quiz. Till then, don't waste your time telling ma'am, I have done, I have done.
Ma'am, I have done.
I'm done discussing Canada.
Can I remove the screen, children? Can I stop screen share?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Four minutes left.
Ma'am, I am just revising.
Yes, everyone, please learn these words. They're very difficult.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, where is Silvassa?
Silvassa is the capital of Dadar and what is the name? It's Nagar Haveli. Dadar and it's a union territory, beta. Dadra and Nagar Haveli.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can I write key points after the all the classes? After
No,
all the
Jaskaran, I'm going to ask you only all the difficult words. What hurry are you in?
Ma'am, I am saying, can I write key points after all the classes?
After all the classes?
Ma'am, after all the, yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, you can write.
Ma'am, the fourth key point that you have written is wrong. That India has 28 states. India has 9 union territories.
9 union territories. Now see, somewhere it is India has 29 states, 7 union territories. Somewhere it is, what is written in your book, beta?
It is written 28 states and 9 union territories.
9 union, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, which are those 9 union territories? Please name them.
Jammu Kashmir,
wait.
Delhi,
Jammu and Kashmir.
Delhi,
Ma'am, Jammu Kashmir, Chandigarh, Ladakh, and
Dadar Nagar Haveli, Daman, Andaman Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep, Pondicherry, and there are 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, in my book, these were missing. Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh was missing. So all of you now make it to 9 union territories because in your book, it is given 9 union territories. And how many states are given, beta?
And 28 states as Jammu
Ma'am,
Kashmir.
but in my book there are 8 union territories.
Yes, in my book also there are 8 union territories.
9 union territories. Ma'am, in our book,
That is
9
what-
union
My
territories.
also there are only 8 union territories. Ma'am, in my also there are 9 union territories.
That is what, children, I am telling you. In some books it is written 9, some books it is written 8.
What is the one union territory?
See, I'll name all the union territories. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Lakshadweep, Delhi and Puducherry. Which one is not given in your book, Alankrita?
Ma'am, all these you have spoken.
So just count them. They are 9 in number.
Ma'am, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu are joined.
Acha, it is given as one union territory.
Yes, ma'am.
In my book, it is given separately.
City is also one, ma'am. Capital city is also one.
Which is the capital of both?
Daman.
Daman. Okay, in
Daman.
my book, it is given Silvassa as the capital of Dadar and Nagar Haveli. Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Now, I don't know why is that so. Don't get confused. Okay, done. Everyone is done with these difficult words.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you open your cameras, close your books. Okay, who will tell me the spelling of Chhattisgarh? Raina Agarwal will tell. Spelling of Chhattisgarh. Raina?
Ma'am, spelling of what?
Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh.
Ma'am, Chhattisgarh. Ma'am, C-H. Ma'am, C-H-A-T. Ma'am, I don't know the spelling of Chhattisgarh.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Rasya
can I
will tell
tell
the spelling of Chhattisgarh. Rasya.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I?
Okay, Arav, I'm going to remove you from the meeting. Those who will disturb in between will be removed now. Last warning. Rasya.
Okay. CHATTISGARH.
Okay. It is not CH, it is C double H, beta. Double H, Chhattisgarh. All right. Next, Jaskaran, spelling of Chhattisgarh. Hurry up and tell.
Ma'am, can I summon?
Samar, out of the meeting now. Out, removed. Samar is being removed now. Shall I remove you? Jaskaran, say the spelling.
C double H A double T ISGARH.
Very good. Next, who will tell me the spelling of Puducherry? Akshaj. Akshaj fourth hai, Puducherry.
Ma'am, PUDU Udu CHERRY.
Very nice. Yatharth Singh, spelling of Amravati.
AMARAVATI.
Very good. Very nice. Alankrita Yadav, spelling of Tehsils.
THASAL.
Wrong. Shaurya Tyagi, Tehsil.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what the word is?
Tehsil. Tehsil. Don't look into the copy.
Ma'am, I'm not looking at the copy. Ma'am, please tell the word again.
Beta, Tehsil. Tehsil.
Oh, okay, ma'am. TEHSILS.
S-I.
Ma'am, TEHSILS.
Very good. Tehsils. Okay, next. Arav Gupta will tell me the spelling of mandals.
MANDALS.
Very good. Akshudha Tiwari is going to tell me the spelling of secretariat. Akshudha.
Okay, ma'am. SECRETARIAT.
Very good. Very nice. Next, Vamika is going to tell me the spelling of purpose.
Ma'am, what?
Beta, the spelling of purpose. Purpose.
Okay, ma'am. PURPOSE.
Arhan, open your camera. Kunal, Kanav, Anika, everyone. If you want to participate, open your cameras. Otherwise, I'll stick to students whose camera is on. Jashmit, you're going to tell me the spelling of Imphal.
IIMPHAL.
Very good. Mokshit Mishra, you're going to tell me the spelling of Bengaluru.
BENGALURU.
Wonderful, wonderful. Taranveer, you're going to tell me the spelling of Hyderabad.
HY.
Yes, HY, Hyderabad. Hyderabad. HY.
HYD.
Yes.
ERA.
Very good. Hyder. Now.
BAD.
Hyderabad. Okay. Samar Pratap Singh. Spelling of Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Yes.
MHY.
Where are you looking? Into the copy?
No, ma'am.
Then look up on the camera.
Ma'am, HY.
Yes. HY. Then